Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, viewers and subscribers. How are you? I hope you all are fine and enjoying good health. I am also good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new and beautiful paper craft. First of all, I have taken a glue stick and then I have picked a scale and then a cutter and a scissor. And I have also taken glue and different colors of sheets and marker colors. Now I have cut a piece of red color sheet and then fold it like that, and then I have draw a heart on it, and then I have started cutting a heart. You have to be very precise in the cutting of heart and you have to take care of its shape. Finally, I have cut a heart. You can see how precisely I have cut a heart. Now I have cut 7 pieces of heart in the same way using the same method, and then I have taken a blank sheet and then I have measured the width of the sheet according to one piece of heart in the way as shown, and then I have cut the piece of the paper as the width of the heart in this way. So I have cut the paper and then I have marked a line on the piece of paper according to the length of a piece of heart in this way. And then I have taken a glue stick and apply it on the front of heart piece, and then I have precisely applied it on the piece of paper on the line I have drawn on the paper. Now I will draw a few lines on the piece of paper by taking a proper difference according to the difference given on the scale as shown. And now I will start to fold the lines that I have drawn on the paper precisely as the marked line. And now I have taken again the glue stick and applied it on the piece of heart, and then I have precisely put it on the paper and applied it on the line precisely. Similarly, I have applied all the hearts on the paper, and now I have folded it. Now I have taken again a blank piece of paper and cut a piece of it precisely. And now I have taken a card, and then I have took a piece of cut paper and applied glue stick on its size precisely. Now I have stick the paper on the card and then pass the back side of the paper from the stick paper, and then I have applied glue stick on the front sides of the paper and then stick it on the card. So we have completed the beautiful and gorgeous paper art. You can also write anything on the page. As you can see how beautifully I have completed the paper craft and paper art. You can also try it at home easily, as I have shown the necessary material that is used for preparing such type of beautiful paper craft. If you want to see such more videos, then subscribe my channel and stay connected with my YouTube channel Fashion Trends by Aslan. Okay friends, see you soon in my next video with a new beautiful and amazing collection. Till then, take care of yourself, be happy, be safe. May Allah give you prosperity, happiness and success in every walk of life. Remember me in your precious prayers. Thanks a lot for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it with your friends, relatives and besties. Okay friends, see you soon inshallah. Allah Hafiz.